I was born in Villamarzo and I was raised there. So it's my first home and I want to share the blessing that I'm having here.
Because of COVID-19, everything just stopped. Doing something like Glasses with Wings allowed us to do something meaningful without necessarily having to go out and meet people. We asked the congregation to donate glasses.
Orlando spends a few weeks cleaning the glasses, repairing any that are damaged.
Not all of us can do great things, but we can do great things with great love.
Ang programa ngayon ay Glasses with Wings galing po sa mga Knights of Columbus ng Canada. Didistribute namin sa mga constituent ng Barangay Villamarzo.
Dito po namin binibigay yung isang parang kooperasyon namin through collaboration with the barangay leaders, ang mga businessman, at saka yung mga nasa residente ng barangay o komunidad.
I am Dr. Maria Monica Visaya, and right now I'm here serving the people of Villamarzo for the Glasses with Wings. We are expecting 117 patients. Getting eyeglasses in the optical clinics is very hard. Some optical clinics, they charge too much. Sometimes they need money more for food. It's really not an option for them.
Walang hanap buhay, so umaasa lang sa anak. At ako ay may sakit na sa mata. Hindi na ako pwedeng operahin, kaya nangangailangan na po ako ng salamin para magpatuloy para makakita ako na malinaw. At nagpapasalamat din ako ng lubos sa mga Knights of Columbus ng Canada.
Rolando, ako si Auntie Munini. Salamat sa pagbibigay mo ng mga salamin dito sa amin. Malaking tulong sa amin.
Glasses with Wings would be something that Blessed Michael McGivney, he would have been happy to see having councils participate with each other is very positive.
Ang ibig sabihin ng international na samahan namin ay dahil iisa ang aming prinsipyo, iisa ang aming mga programa sa buong mundo. Ito ay ang charity.